then let me share some tips with you which help my clients maintain their weight during the festive season. Yes, I know, festive times are hard. You cannot refuse the people who are lovingly offering you food. You do not want to be the person who is killing everybody's mood by putting on certain demands around food. I understand that. And that is the reason why my tip number 1 to maintain your weight during the festive season is that you plan ahead. Be clear about what time, for how long, and where exactly you are going for your heavy meal. Having this information is going to put you in a sense of control, and how you use this information is my next step. And that is, once you know all of the things around where, for how long, and what exactly, which meal are you going to have, you can plan all of the other meals of the day around that. And when I say this, I do not mean that you stop eating during the day and then you are hogging on to whatever is available to you so that your calories are balanced. But instead, what I would want you to do is that in the daytime or whatever meals that you have in your control, make sure that you are packing all of the nutrition in that. Make sure that you have your healthy carbs during that time. All of your whole grains, all of your whole wheat, rice, and all of those things you can have at that time. Have your protein at that time. Make sure that you are having your curd, milk, fish, eggs, chicken, whatever you have for the protein during the times when you have the sense of control on the meal. And make sure that you pack your body with a good amount of fiber as well. Make sure that you start your day with a fruit. Make sure that you have a vegetable smoothie in the morning before you are heading out. This way, you not only make up for all the nutritional gaps that are going to be there in the day, but also whatever you eat, the little nutrition that it will have, it will be better absorbed by your body. And another thing is, if your nutritional pool of the day is satisfied by the meals that you have control over, you will be able to have a better sense of control over what you pick from all the wrong options that are going to be available. My next tip for you to maintain your weight during the festive season is that firstly, it comes with a disclaimer that all the calories are good. No calories are bad. However, when you are eating out and essentially it is going to be something which you do not want to eat because of the calories versus nutrition quotient that it has, always pick solid foods over liquid foods. The reason for this is that the more you have food in your liquid forms, it will give you the calories that you need, but it will not give you the satisfaction that you deserve. As a result, you will end up loading up a lot of calories which you do not need and you are not planning on burning also. And that's when you will end up loading up on a lot of calories which your body doesn't require, but still you would require those solid calories for the satiation, and in the end you will end up overeating, which can cause acidity, bloating the next day, and we do not want that. My next tip for you, if you want to maintain your weight during your festive season, is that even in the solid foods, prefer solid food over mindless munching. The reason behind this is that no matter how much mindless munchies you munch on, you will still require food to feel full. Have you ever noticed this? No matter how many wafers you have at a party, eventually you would still require food, even if you have had your 500-600 calories just by those chips. Our brain needs to register that you have eaten so that you can get the sense of fulfillment. This is regulated by two hormones called leptin and ghrelin, but I'm not getting into the science of that because I've already done that in the past videos. However, I want to reiterate this thing. Make sure that you are having heavy foods over the mindless one. So, paneer tikka, even spring rolls over chips, spiced peanuts and stuff like that which you are not going to register. Now you might have the question, Manisha, I'm going for a liquor party. How can I not have the spiced peanuts? How can I not have the alcohol? I understand that. To solve that issue, I'm going to link a reel that I've made on my Instagram channel which covers all the things around alcohol that you need to know. So make sure that you click that link after you've watched this video. And my next tip for you to maintain your weight during the festive season is that you do not guilt over whatever you have. Yes, I have given you a long list of the things that you need to avoid and you need to do, but I will still say that festive season is the time when you're supposed to have fun, when you're supposed to enjoy with your friends and family. So even if you end up eating something which was not a part of your diet or which you label as a bad food, it's okay. Enjoy each and every bite of it when you're having it. and after that don't get into the guilt that you have had something which was out of your plan. Savor every bite of your favorite food. Savor it like you have never eaten it before, and it's going to be the last time that you're going to have it, although it won't be, but still do that, and then forget about it and move on. Eating crap or eating junk is not a crime yet. Now, if I have motivated you enough to enjoy the festive season and yet maintain your weight, and you want some choices over what you should prefer to eat rather than what you should not, then watch this video next, because in this video I take you through different kinds of cuisines and what all you can have, what all you can prefer in a specific kind of cuisine. So I will see you in this video next, and have fun. Bye.